Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of lab essentials with a review that every scientist, researcher and enthusiast can appreciate: the humble pipette. Now, whether you're new to the lab scene or a seasoned pro, understanding the tools of our trade is crucial. I've had the opportunity to explore various types of pipettes in the past, including Socorex pipettes, Gilson pipettes, Eppendorf pipettes, and of course BioHit type pipettes, just to name a few. But today I'm eager to share my insights with you on another pipette, the Brand Transferpette. But before we jump into the details, I've got something exciting to share with you all. We're hosting a giveaway. Yeah, that is right, a giveaway. Now, stick around until the end of the video to find out how you can enter and win some essential tools for the lab. Now, let's get started. So as I've told you, this is gonna be a brief presentation video of the Brand Transferpette S. So this is a pipette that I got for myself, just to try it out. It's basically a 0.5 to 10 microliter pipette, right? So this is for smaller volumes. So this is the box. Let me do an unboxing for you guys and see what's in the package. Okay, so first of all, of course, we're gonna have the user manual of the pipette. Now we're gonna have, I think, some silicone grease and just a little brush to spread the grease when you are performing maintenance on the pipette. We have, of course, some sample tips. We also have some general safety rules on liquid handling. Who cares about this? Yeah, some brochures about some promotional material about the PLT unit. I think you use this to basically check your pipette if it's leaking or stuff like that. A certificate of declaration of conformity and so on. Okay, you also have some replacement labels, because I will show you, you can label this yourself. I don't know if you're part of a specific lab, you can just write your name on it and stuff like that. And this is the pipette itself. So this is a stand, a desk stand for this pipette right here. So you should just place it like this. And I think this is a sticker for you to stick this to your desk. Probably some double adhesive tape. And I think that's pretty much what's in the box. You can get your own certificate of quality certificate from here. Basically, you just take a picture and scan the QR code, and it will take you to the certificate for your specific pipette. But so this is the actual pipette. Of course, they come in all the sorts of sizes. I got the small one because this is the pipette that I lacked. As a general feel, you can feel that these are quality actually. The plastic, as opposed to, for example, Eppendorf pipettes, the plastic is somehow it feels soft but durable at the same time. So it's a really nice feeling. I don't like the fact that this, in my opinion, it's a bit big, the pipette, especially for the smaller volumes. But yeah, what can you say? So it has a metal tip right here. It has a volume lock. I don't know if you can see this. This is locked right now, and you can change the volume with just one hand. I do like this because in several circumstances I really felt the need to just hold a tube with one hand and just need to adjust the volume with the other. This is the tip ejector right here. We also do a pipetting test, of course, I think. And yeah, this is the volume lock. Additional features that this pipette has, of course, this is where you set the volume from here, both one hand and two-handed. You lock, and it has a tiny place right here for the label. Remember, I told you that you can exchange the label and put your name here or whatever. In order to calibrate this pipette, you don't need a tool, so very similar to these ones right here, to the Socorex pipettes. So you have them side by side. This is a bigger volume, this is a smaller volume. Yeah, so this is mine also. So in order to calibrate this pipette, you just need to take out the label, right? And then you have a small plastic here, yeah, which you can remove. And then what you would need to do, of course, you would perform like 10 measurements of each and do a medium of all that measurements, and you know, the basic stuff in pipette calibration. And what you would need to do is basically lock this lever right here. You should exchange it, just push it down. Then you would set the volume, right, to the specific volume that you measured. Let's say, for example, I measured like 940, right? And then you basically would return this red lever to its place, right? And then you can just place the label back, like this. Come on. Clicks in place, and then you have a calibrated pipette. So this is a nice feature that I always like, toolless calibration. For maintenance, you would basically need to unscrew this from here, right? And you can get to the innards and stuff like that for cleaning, and yeah, basically you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so as a general feeling of the pipette, and in my opinion, it really compares to Socorex, you know, regarding quality, and to the Eppendorf pipettes, you know, the Research Plus pipettes. But however, sadly, I don't have one lying around. So yeah, I would put this on the same quality level if it were me. Of course, I did not have the opportunity to use this pipette a lot. I just got it like, I don't know, a week ago probably. But yeah, of course I'll use it, and yeah, hopefully it should it shouldn't have any problems, you know, quality, and I hope it won't break. I don't think it should break because they do come with a 3-year warranty. So yeah, so this is my new pipette. I just wanted to show you guys. Maybe, who knows, you want to purchase one of these. Who knows? So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and this has been the tiny presentation of the Brand Transferpette. Before we wrap up, I want to share with you the giveaway details. So again, we'll be hosting a giveaway. Some of my suppliers of lab reagents, whom I highly recommend, have provided some essential lab reagents and consumables for you, both viewers and esteemed clients. Now, let's talk about how you can enter the giveaway. Keep in mind that the price package may change and other goodies could be added. The official giveaway details will be announced in an upcoming video, but I just wanted to give you a heads up for now. Now, to enter the giveaway and stand a chance to win some lab essentials, simply 1. Like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Number 2. Leave a comment below telling us how these lab reagents and consumables would benefit your research. And number 3, and most important, to enter the giveaway, visit www.alabiolab.ro, click on the little chat box, and leave a message with your name and email address. Now, rest assured, your email will only be used for the purpose of selecting a winner randomly. If you're the lucky winner, we will contact you via the email you have provided in order to arrange the delivery of your prize. Keep in mind that for now, we can only ship to the EU due to customs reasons. If this giveaway goes well, we hope to expand our next giveaway to include the US, other countries like India and China, and maybe even worldwide. Yeah, so that's it. We'll randomly select one lucky winner. Make sure you're subscribed and keep an eye out for the giveaway video that will be coming soon. Now good luck to everyone!